Hi, I'm Inka from Email Tool Tester. Welcome to our video review of Getresponse. Getresponse is a tool we're very familiar with here at Email Tool Tester, as we use it for many of our own campaigns. Describing itself as an all-in-one online marketing platform, Getresponse certainly boasts an impressive feature list, which includes automations, CRM, landing pages, and even an option to run your own webinars. But how well does it actually deliver as a newsletter tool? Is Getresponse up to the task of handling your email marketing, or is it simply a jack of all trades? Let's take a look and find out. I found Getresponse mostly easy to navigate, thanks to these simple icons in the dashboard, which help you to quickly get to where you need to go. You simply click on the feature you want to access. For example, let's check out email marketing, and you'll be taken to that section where you can see all the functions that sit under it at the top here, including autoresponders and statistics. Now let's take a look into how to create a newsletter, which is done under email marketing. The first thing you'll be asked to do is enter all the campaign details, such as the list, subject line, and from name. You can then choose from one of Getresponse's email templates. While there's a wide variety to choose from, I do think the designs could be a bit more modern. I want to create my own design, so let's choose Start from Scratch. I'm going to choose this 3-column layout. As you can see, it's super easy to edit the elements that come within the layout, such as images and text. For each element, you've got plenty of options to customize appearance. For example, if I click on this image, I'll see a little pop-up menu with all the options, and I can hover over each option to see exactly what it does. Here's my email ready to go. It's great that Getresponse give you this mobile preview of your email, as well as options for spam and design testing. The main things they could improve would be to allow you to change styles universally, for example, heading fonts and colors. I'd also make it easier to add more columns to the email. It's currently not available as a block that you can drag and drop. How powerful are Getresponse's automations? As it turns out, impressively so. Getresponse's automation options are endless, and you get more options on higher plans. You'll see that there are plenty of templates to help you build out an automation. I just want to set up an automated email to welcome new subscribers who join our newsletter. So let's choose this template here. I really love Getresponse's workflow editor, which is flexible and easy to use. To edit the steps in the workflow, you just double-click on the step, which will open the Properties tab. Here, for example, you can select the list you want to associate with the campaign. You can then click on the next step to choose the email you want to send. To add additional steps to the workflow, such as new conditions or actions, you just drag and drop it from the Add Elements tab. Connect steps by clicking this dot. You can even set multiple paths, for example, assigning different actions based on whether or not a contact clicked a link. Getresponse also do a decent job of reports, which are found under Statistics in the email marketing section. For each newsletter, you can view open, click, and social data, amongst other metrics. It's also possible to compare the performance of different campaigns. Additional data includes subscription-based information, including where subscribers are located, and also statistics on how your automation campaigns are performing overall. There's plenty to be impressed by with Getresponse. In our opinion, it's one of the most powerful tools available for the small to medium business market. Despite its long list of features, it's surprisingly easy to use, and we like the email editor, their detailed reporting, and fantastic automations. There's very little to fault with Getresponse, but if we had to pick, we'd like the templates to be more modern. Our tests also showed that Getresponse's deliverability rates could be improved, although these can fluctuate. Make sure to check out the latest deliverability results on Email Tool Tester. We hope you found our video useful. If you have any questions about Getresponse, just leave us a comment below. You can also see our full and up-to-date review of Getresponse on our website.